Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Homemade pasta sauce from the pressure cooker. First, we're gonna put the pressure cooker on saute mode. Then we're gonna add some good olive oil, and don't be shy. Now I'm gonna add some white onions. Also gonna add some red onions, and we're gonna let them become friends and really let them sweat together. This can take up to about 5 minutes. Now I'm adding some garlic, some Himalaya salt and some black pepper. Give this a good mix. Now I'm adding the ground beef and let that brown for a bit. And this can take up about 5 minutes also. And you can see it's starting to brown a little bit. Now some veggies. I'm adding our orange paprika. I'm also gonna add some carrots and some celery. I'm also adding some diced tomatoes, pre-diced tomatoes in tomato sauce, a dash of Italian herbs, about 3 tablespoons of sugar, some tomato paste, 2 teaspoons. Now give this a good mixing. For some extra flavor, I'm adding a bottle of tomato sauce, and it's pre-made. Also half of it in water. Another good mixing, and it's almost ready to be pressurized. Hey, he wants to escape. Now close the lid and check if the valve is good. Yep, it's okay. Now it's ready to be pressurized. We're gonna put it on pressure mode on high, and I'm gonna pressurize it for about 12 minutes. That should be enough. And press start. It's ready. Depressurizing. And that can take up about 2 minutes. Now look at that. Steamy, hot, delicious pasta sauce. Now give this a good stir. And you can see, oh man, it's really delicious. And a beautiful red color. But with all sauces, you have to taste it. If maybe it's missing some salt or pepper, just give it a good tasting. Now let's taste. I'm also gonna cook some pasta with it, and I'm gonna put in some salt in a pan, and I use this pasta. Cooked it for about 14 minutes. And then you have a delicious pasta. Now let's plate. First our pasta. And you can do how you like it. But I like just a little bit of pasta. Now a big spoon of that delicious homemade pasta sauce. I also grated some Parmesan cheese and some provolone. And we're gonna put it on top, just to top it off. Now that's a delicious looking pasta. And I'm not gonna say I'm sorry for eating in front of you. I like eating pasta, so I couldn't wait. Quickly made a photo of it and then start eating it all up. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my homemade pasta. If you're new to the channel, then I hope you subscribe, give me a like and leave me a comment. And if you're always here, thank you for being here. And as always, see you next time.